The old-growth forest has survived thousands of years of fire, but now things are different. A perfect storm of climate development, simplification, and fragmentation has left the ancient stands vulnerable in a way they never have been before. And yet, hope remains. All of California's forests exist in a cycle of release by fire. All of California forests have strategies to survive fire. Many depend on it for health. How are the forests of the world's tallest trees recovering after California's burning season of devastation? What will be the legacy of this big burn? And what does it tell us about the future of the big trees, and how are we tangled up in that story? While our forests transform and reset, let's consider the opportunity for us to do the same. Let's marvel at the vast array of tools these systems use to handle the burn. As the rain returns to the coast where these big trees have lived for millions of years, let's go find the green pushing up through the gray.